All right, this week I'm reviewing a wireless charger from Magbak. All right, welcome back to the channel. Dan here from Tesla. So today I'm reviewing another accessory from Magbak. Now, you may remember Magbak from such videos as the Tesla rim protector, which I thought was an ingenious product. Basically, if you have the Tesla Uber turbines or Performance, or there's a few other ones as well, if you have curb rash, it will hide that. And if you have them installed and you get curb rash, you just have to take out one section. It's pretty easy and cheap to do. So definitely an awesome product. You can check out the video up there somewhere. I'll have the link. But for today, we are going to review the Magbak wireless charger, which is another entry in the Magbak Tesla accessories line. So this is the wireless charger. We're just going to open it up here. Now, it's a pretty simple device. Obviously, it's basically you have this a little pad here, which is going to stick out on your screen like that. Now, traditionally, I'm used to the phone charger that goes on the back of your screen and folds away when you're not using it. So this one is going to stick back. It's going to live like that. But if you can see here from like the metal in the back and the nice looking pad, it's going to look like it's part of the screen. So I'm not that concerned about it. We'll see how it looks. And then you have the charging option, which is down here. You're going to run that cable down the center console. And then you're going to look with this cigarette adapter, which is going to plug in the center console, and that's how it's going to charge your phone. And as you can see from here, you got the red tape, which is just 3M tape. So just peel that off and stick it at the back of the screen. So it's super easy to install. So let's get right into it, install it. Before I do though, please take a second and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. You get better accessory reviews, better content. So definitely subscribe. Do it now. I'll check it out. Yeah. So basically it's going to live just over here like that, and that's the install. So all we're going to do is we're going to take this 3M tape off and line it up like so. All right, so with this wire, all you're going to do is tuck it into the side little panel here. You can also just do it with your fingers. It's pretty easy. And you're going to work it eventually to the armrest. Now you're going to take your cigarette adapter, plug it in, and then, now the only thing is I don't like is that this little part is going to stick out like that. I guess if you really don't like that, you could get maybe an extension cable to go to the back, the USB ports at the back of the armrest. You can do that, but otherwise this little part will stick out. All right, I've been driving with this for a little bit now and actually quite enjoy it. I thought I was going to be a little worried because I like the foldaway mounts where you don't see it if you're not using it. But then again, I'm the person who really doesn't have my phone mounted all the time. So if you are a person who loves having their phone there, definitely this is a must-have. It's really good. The reason for that is if you're having it in a vertical position, you have full view of the screen as well as controls, and it kind of just blends right into there. It's a really good position. And if you do like the landscape, the only thing there is it's going to hide your speedometer and your speed, so that's a little bit annoying. But I do like this landscape because it doesn't stick up past the screen, so it really looks like it's part of the screen. It's angled, so it's not touching the screen, so you don't have to worry about any sort of damage like that. And even when you don't have a phone there, it doesn't look so bad because it's kind of like an extension to the screen, so it's kind of just blends in. It's not much of it's not one of those eyesore phone mounts. It really just blends in there. It's really nice. It's modern looking, and I don't mind it. If you are a person who always has their phone mounted, this is definitely a good option. I really do enjoy it for that reason. My only complaint is because it plugs into the center console as opposed to the rear USB, you do have a little bit of a wire sticking out here, which is kind of annoying. But if you really want to go back there, you can just get an extension, like a USB-C extension to reach it back there. Unfortunately, you can't just use a longer wire because it is hardwired into this unit. So that is my only complaint with this thing. Other than that, I would say if you like having your phone mounted, this is a good option. So MagSafe is primarily a phone case company. They did send me one of their phone cases, this was for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Yes, I'm a bit behind in the times. And as you can see, my phone has seen better days. The good thing is with this phone case though, be able to at least cover up some of that damage. So here it is. It's a silicone case, and I find it very similar to the actual Apple cases. So there it is here. Now you have some MagSafe technology in the case itself. So as you can see, it does stick. So you don't need the actual, it's not relying on the MagSafe of the phone. So the phone itself, there is some magnetism in here as well. And it does come with these little magnet metal things that you can stick onto basically anywhere. If your phone, if you don't have a mount or something like that, you can just stick these anywhere. And it comes with two of them. So let's just go ahead and put it on my phone pretty easily. So there you go. And as you can see, it works pretty nicely with the MagSafe. Oh, and check this out. All right, if you want to get yourself a phone mount or one of these cases, head over to magbak.com, and promo code is going to be changed this time. It's going to be NTesla15. So that's NTesla15 for 15% off. I believe it was before it was Norton Tesla. Use NTesla15 for 15% off. I'll have the link and the code in the description in case you forget. All right, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss videos, which I release about every week or so. And by subscribing, you really help the channel grow. You'll get better content, better accessories, better reviews, more tips and tricks for your Tesla. So subscribe. Anyways, thanks again for watching, and in the meantime, drive safe and drive electric. All right, so head over there, get yourself one of these. I kind of like this one. Like I said, it is better content, get better reviews, better get access. And also don't forget to subscribe. All right, if you like this, all right, I've had this. All right, I've been driving around with this for a little bit. Let's let that sun go. The car, it really fits right to the. It's. All right, I've been using this for a few days now. All right, I've been driving. All right, I've been driving with this for a little bit now. Should we have consistency? When you're not using your phone, and when you're not using your phone, and when you're not mounting your phone, which is really important if you're going to go landscape, because then it's not touching the screen, which is good. Oh, I just turned my front open. Anyways. All right, this week I am reviewing a wireless charger from Magbak.